In this video, I will guide you how to block certain websites on TP-Link router. Please follow the steps. Open your browser and log into your router web interface. Go to Access Control. Then click Target. Click Add New. Select URL address. As the mode, type a short description. Then enter the domain if you want to block. You can type either the full URL or just the main keyword. Now go to the Schedule tab. If you want to block websites only for a certain period of time, you may configure the schedule. Set the days and time period. Next, go to Rule. Select Enable Internet Access Control. Under the default filtering rules, make sure to select Allow the packets not specified by any filtering rules. Click Add New. In the Target and Schedule field, select the rule you defined earlier. If you want to block websites only for specific users, you can add their local IP addresses from here. You are done from now. You can't access the blocked website from your network. I have blocked Facebook and YouTube. These two sites are not opening. But I can still access any other sites like Twitter as it's not blocked. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.